Hi, welcome to this introduction to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So what is Business Central? Well, it's a financial business management solution in the industry known as an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. It's aimed at the small to medium businesses. So if you're a small organisation, you can very much scale up to medium size, and if a medium sized organisation, it's got the functionality that you can grow with. It's a cloud solution. Software as a service model, SaaS for short. That's where it's a cloud-based application, so you access it via the internet, and the vendor, in this case Microsoft, look after all the computer resources required to run the application, leaving clients like yourself not requiring the need to have hardware or expensive server requirements to actually run the software. Being a SaaS model means it has a lower upfront cost due to the software being paid on a subscription monthly rate for the software that you actually use. Just to go through the intro today, I wanted to highlight a few key areas. So we're going to go through the navigation first, the look and feel, touch on the financial areas, how the flexible the solution is, how it is unified with Office 365 and those different tools, how the approvals can improve controls, through to reporting. So first of all, let's look at the navigation. Once we've logged into Business Central, we're presented with a dashboard. In this case, we're in as a business manager. We've got a good range of access and visibility of what's going on from the financials, sales, purchasing, key drop downs to some of the areas within the organization, card details, been able to go into quickly create some of the different transaction types. In the central section of the dashboard, we've got key activities of what's going through the system at the moment. Somewhere here you can see overdue purchase invoices amount. The tile information is giving us information about the ongoing transactions what are in the software. So in the case of sales, we can drill down on any of these tiles and these details to see what's outstanding. So we've got 5 sales orders here, which we can drill down to see the further details. And we can have our favourite accounts listed, a mini trial balance giving us an indication of what's going on, all the way through to embedding Power BI reports inside the system. In Business Central, we've got the ability to have a flexible nominal chart of accounts, of which we can use the out-of-the-box version, or we can design specifically for ourselves. We've got the ability to have header accounts, which we can't post to, and sub-header accounts, which are actually totaling up all the information within that section. The key differentiator with Business Central is that it is unified with Office 365. It's very easy to work with the different Excel tools that we've got and even view within Outlook. We can get the information out within Power BI, some of the reporting which we'll touch on later, but also use some of the other fringe tools within Office 365 suites like Microsoft Flow for approvals. For this section, we're just going to highlight working with Excel. So inside the transaction we were in previously, it's very easy to highlight a specific line. We can copy that line and very quickly paste it into Excel. Work within Excel to create more journal lines, enter different descriptions, change the amounts. Once we've finished working in Excel, copy the lines, come back into Business Central, into the journal, and paste the details in. So it's very quick to work in and out of Excel, which is a general tool what finance teams use. The other area within Office 365, the connectivity with Business Central, is within Outlook. So here I'm on Outlook.com, but you could have opened up your Outlook desktop, and I've got an email from a client, and we're able to see details about them within Outlook before we go ahead and process further the transaction that we're dealing with them so we can see their outstanding balance, our aged accounts, and their history in different transactions that we've actually done with them. Within Business Central, we've got the ability to use Microsoft Flow out of the box to actually send notifications to users about changes to transactions, to approvals, changes to different metrics within the system. Today I'm going to just show you doing a purchase order and getting it through an approval. So I'm back into Business Central. I'm going to open up the purchase order area, create a new document, and I'm going to send it out for approval. I've got a whole list of the approved vendors within the solution which I can choose to purchase from. I can put some more information about the details of that transaction, but from here I'm going to select what I'm looking to purchase, and in this case I'm going to look for an item what's set up in the system, an inventory item. I'm going to enter the quantity, and because it's coming from the system, it's already given me cost information. From here, very quickly, I can send out for approval. Lastly, touching on reporting. So here in Power BI, I've got a dashboard with all the information that's coming from Business Central, and Power BI is a system which you can drill down, get further details, and it's starting to give that analysis of what's going on day to day with your organisation. Just a quick run through here, we've got a set of reports, whether it's from item information, top customers and where they're located within your geographical regions, various different graphs and metrics which can all be customed to your specific needs. Thanks very much for your time today. Hope to see you soon.